Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to do a product review. I want to tell you about these knives that I've been using for 4 and 5 years. And I only have 2, but I want to share it with you. They are called DALSTRONG. My daughter bought them for me, both of them, for Christmas. This one is a chef's knife. It has a steel blade and it has a wooden handle. And the rivets, a long time ago when I learned about knives, I was told that you need to buy knives where the rivets go all the way through. So it's going to be very sturdy. And it fits really well in your hand. And on the website, which I'll list below, it says that it's an ergonomically designed knife. Anyway, I love these knives. And I've been using them and saying that for the last 5 years to my daughter and my son. So I wanted to show you with this knife how I just slice. And all I do is place it where I want to place it. Keep your hands out of the way because it's very, very sharp. That's it. That's all you have to do is press. I'm going to do the other half. And it's done. This is a big tomato. It's pretty hard. But I wanted to slice, just push it down. That's done. But I wanted to do a very thin slice. I don't know if you've ever cut a tomato that slim. That's what you can do with this knife. Because I raved about the chef knife, the next Christmas she got me a paring knife. Now this blade is 3.5 inches long. This blade is 8. And I just think it's cool because this is a collard, a leaf. And I just want to show you how I can slice things through with just the point because it's so sharp, sharp, sharp. You have got to be careful with these knives. Doesn't look like I'm doing anything, probably far away, but this is what I cut up. And just very gently, there's not a lot of pressure that you have to use to get it cut. So that's a collard leaf. I actually made the letter just with the point. I cut out a D for DALSTRONG, and then even in the inside, I'm going to go that's what you've got. That's it. That's really it. I just wanted to share with you some amazing knives that I have been using for 5 years, and I'm just sharing it with you. Now, when you go to the website, there are many things you're going to see. You can buy sets or you can buy them singularly. And that's what my daughter did. She told me, and I'm passing this secret on to you, and she saw it on sale. That's what drew her to it. So you can wait for the sale and you can try them. They're not cheap knives, but they're not super, super over the mountain, over the hill, so expensive you can't afford it. And every kitchen should have good knives because it helps you to do your chopping, slicing, dicing. It just helps you to do it quicker and faster. And it's also safer to use a sharp knife than to use a dull knife. And so that's the end of the video for now. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And don't forget to leave me some comments below and tell me what you think of these knives. Try one, see what you think, okay? And so until next time, for the next video, troopers, bye for now.